Welcome to Mathematics Mirror. Today we are going to look at 10 ways of simplifying minus 4 plus 3. To simplify minus 4 plus 3, it can be challenging and can be very simple. But with my 10 tricks, I am confident that you'll be able to simplify minus 3 plus 4 minus 4 plus 3 or any form the question comes. So with that, let's see the number of ways we can do this. Let's see the first way. We have minus 4 plus 3. We can do this by changing their position so that 3 comes first, then minus 4 follows. And this will be 3 minus 4. And 3 minus 4 is minus 1. All right, let's quickly go into method 2. Method 2, we are going to talk about money. Now, when you see minus, the minus here means borrow. It means borrow. When you see plus, it means pay. Now, in minus 4 plus 3, we have borrow 4 and pay 3. Now, looking at it logically, minus 4 plus 3 is just like you borrow 4 things and you pay only 3, meaning that you still have 1 left to be paid. So the answer is going to be minus 1 since you are still owing. But if it is if you are done with the payment and you add extra to the person, then the answer will be plus 1. But in this situation that you are still owing, the answer is going to be minus 1. So we quickly go to the third method. This method we are going to use temperature drop, temperature rise, or we can sometimes call it cold and hot. Now, if we have minus 4, it means that the temperature is cold by minus 4 a degree. And if we have plus 3, it means the cold temperature the cold temperature has risen by 3 degree. Now, with this, it means the temperature will only be cold by 1 degree. So, since it is still cold, we will present our answer as minus 1. Then, another way of doing this is the use of number line. Now, so we draw this to be our number line, 0 being at the center. We have some things here. So let's call here plus 1, plus 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So we are going to count, since it is minus 4 plus 3, we are going to start from minus 4 and move 3 times to see what we'll get as the answer. So let's move. We rotate 1, 2, and 3. Now, moving 3 times, we stop at minus 1. This tells us that minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. So this will take us to the end of the video. Other method of finding minus 4 plus 3 will be discussed in part 2 of this video. So you watch out for the part 2 of this video. Thank you very much.